is what you got. Just a little bit. I'm going to spray the first part of the system on. And you're going to sit for 3 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes with it.
Okay.
Hello everyone, my name is Mahogany James. I am a hairstylist and I specialize in natural hair, and my salon is located in Atlanta, Georgia. This is part 1 of a 2-part video. My client came in. This is a new client. She actually found me on YouTube. She came in for the Absolut Repair Molecular System. This is a 5-step system, and right now I'm going to apply the first step, which is the pre-treatment bonder. The pre-treatment is going to restore the hair's elasticity. My client says she hasn't been to the salon in years and she has some shedding and breakage. So the Absolut Repair Molecular System, it visibly fights 2 years worth of damage in 1 use. So I'm going to spray the first part of the system on, and she's going to sit for 2 to 3 minutes with it. And then I will go directly in with the shampoo. The first step, you spray on damp hair. You do not shampoo the hair. So yes, you're spraying this on dirty hair. When I posted this video before of me doing this on another client, someone left a comment like, oh, you're spraying stuff on dirty hair. Yes, this is the way that it works. You spray the first step on dirty hair. So now that she has sat with the first part for 2 to 3 minutes, I'm going to go directly in with the shampoo. No, I am not rinsing the first part off. You go directly in with the shampoo. This is a sulfate-free shampoo with bond-building peptides that penetrate beyond the surface to repair hair damaged by chemicals, color, and heat at the deepest molecular level. This exclusive technology visibly fights 2 years of damage in 1 use. I've posted the system before that I did on another client, and when I tell you guys, I had so many comments of people upset about the price. Yes, I charge $300 for this system, but this also includes your silk press and your cut or your trim. So yes, this whole service is $300. People are in my comments before like, you're charging $300 for a silk press? No, baby, this is not just a silk press. She's also getting the Absolut Repair Molecular System. I don't know anywhere that you can go and get this system and full service for under $300. I understand that people like to argue in the comments, so I just had to chop it up. Like, either you understand it or you don't. No, this is not just a deep conditioner that you put under the dryer. No. This is a system, a 5-step system that she's getting. And you're going to see and feel the difference in your hair after your service. And I also see comments of people asking, do you have to continue to get this system every time you get your hair done? No. You can go back to using your regular shampoo if you shampoo your hair 2 weeks later. Or I do recommend that you continue using this shampoo if your hair is severely damaged. But if not, you can just go back to your regular shampoo. I also use this as a protective system on my clients. So my clients may get this like every 3 months. But no, it is not something that you have to use for continued use. But you can continue to shampoo your hair with this product and use the conditioner.
I know. It feels so good.
So now I'm rinsing off the rinse off serum, and then we are going to apply the fourth step, which is the Absolut Repair Molecular Hair Mask. She will sit under the hydration machine for 15 minutes with the hair mask, and then we will rinse off the hair mask, and then I'm going to apply step 5, which is the leave-in conditioner, and that will be on part 2 video. And I will do the styling and her cut on part 2.